Hey y'all, it's your girl Sid and we back with another video. So today we doing hair wax. Can y'all see it? We about to turn our hair blue. This is temporary like hair color, so it's a wax that you put through your hair, and when you want to take it out, you just wash it. So we about to see how this works. It's like Mofayang hair color. That's the brand or something. I'll link it down below. LaRon done opened this and put it on his head, but I ain't put it on mine yet, so we're gonna put it on mine. But before we get started, be sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and all that good stuff. I washed my hair yesterday, but I wet it just now again while I was in the shower. If I look over here, it's because my mirror is right here. So I'm gonna just go through it real quick to make sure all the tangles are out so we can get started. I probably should have did this before I wash my hair, but oh well. And I'm gonna use gloves because I got my nails done. They're white and I don't think it'll stain, but just in case. I might do my eyebrows. For some reason I want to do my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows. So it's already parted in half. And I got some blue hair clips that I might put on. And I'm going to use a scrunchie to have half of my hair out the way. So like I said, LaRon opened it already. But this is the brand. Can y'all see it? Hopefully it focused for you. Mofayang. Y'all can tell me how to pronounce it. Hair color material. So rub it through your fingers and apply bottom up way with finger. Anyways, we about to get started. Put the handy dandy gloves on so we can do surgery on my hair and turn it blue. I'm gonna let it air dry. A lot of people be drying it with the blow dryer. Let me hurry up before my hair start drying. This would look like I said, it's already been tampered with. It smells like men's wash or men's body spray. So we just gonna dig right in. You might can't see it because my gloves are, ooh, they got on my neck, y'all. I put too much in this one spot. Ooh, we starting already. Can y'all even see it? Well, I obviously see a difference, but I was trying to get close to the root, but I guess it don't matter for the back. I should have got green so I can look like the Joker. See, I was watching videos of some people, cause you put it in like that, it be stretching out your curls. So maybe I need to scrunch it. Now I'm gonna be walking around smelling like a man. On my neck. Comment down below if y'all tried this. And comment down below if I should dye my hair blue or if I should get like blue braids or something. I had one of blue box braids before and I still ain't got them. Ooh. I put too much. Oh, I did it again. You can see it good now because I put too much. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. What y'all waiting on? Think I just messed up. That's what I think. And put that big old, oh, big old chunk in the back. Y'all know I don't know nothing about doing no hair, so we gonna probably be looking like a fool. We almost done, cause I'll be taking my time, I'll be rushing. So part of me regretting this, cause I might have to wash it out. I don't want to wash it out. I mean, I do want to wash it out. I don't feel like doing this myself. Take too much work. So I guess on this side, I should take a big chunk like I did last time, just put it on there. In the front. Yeah, your girl got blue hair. I always wanted blue hair. It's all over my neck. So we're gonna take my comb, comb it out. Do y'all like it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Y'all probably gonna say, you didn't even know what you were doing. You know what? You right. Mind your business. Well, I feel like it got on my lips. Take a little bit more. Good, good. That probably was a mistake. I like it. Yeah, girl. Put these in. They blue. Should I use a dark blue? I'm about to see if we got. This come with 120 hair clips. Can y'all see? I'm gonna use a dark blue instead. We about to finish this surgery on this hair. I like it, y'all. Do y'all like it? Yeah. Then we're gonna take another one. Okay, y'all, so I got it. What y'all think? I gotta like clean up the extra. I was gonna do my eyebrows, but I don't think I wanna do them no more, cause I don't really like how I feel, so I'm probably not gonna like how I feel on my eyebrows. But let me clean up this extraness and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I basically like wiped up what was on my skin, my ears and stuff. It's still on the back of my neck. And if we're being real, I don't really like it, only because, well, maybe when it dries, but like it's getting everywhere, like on my shirt, my ears, my neck, and I don't really like how it feels. It's thick, but I do like the color, so maybe when it dries, it'll be better. Looking at myself, but yeah, that's what I think so far. So I like how it looks. I just don't like the fact that while it's wet, still like it's just getting everywhere, like all over the back of my neck and stuff. And that's about it. So y'all comment down below what y'all think about it, and tell me like if you tried it before or something to do different when putting it in.